Okay, hello, good day everyone. Welcome sa Happy Angel Reading. So ngayon titignan natin no kung anong feeling at intention at action ng persons ninyo, no? Kung ano ang inyong outcome at titingnan din natin ang advice. Tingnan muna natin kung anong message sa inyo to, at kung sino ang persons na to. Marami pong salamat sa patuloy na sumusuporta kay Happy Angel Reading. Butterfly. Parang there's a new chapter sa iyong relationship. Parang ikaw din, parang you are trying to release the past dito. So, expect some healing, no? The spirit guide for this person. Wedding ring, yan. May union, may marriage tayong nakikita rito. Soul connection, everlasting love. Ikaw naman, I hope all. Baka, baka your persons also wanted to, it could be asawa mo na siya, or it could be gusto mag-propose sa'yo. No? Baka mag-propose siya, and this is a soul connection. So, kaya pala itong new chapter na mangyayari sa buhay mo rin, no? I could get that. Or sabihin natin na baka nakahanda na ang wedding ring, no? Kayaan ka nang magpakasal. So, yan yung sinasabing next phase. Next phase ng inyong relationship. Uh, invite ka sa date, tapos ilabas na yung ilabas na yung singsing. Wow naman. Or, this person, parang nakita ko na stop the pattern already. So ngayon parang sina-silent, some of you naman no, na parang sina-silent treatment kayo. Parang may separation sa ko ring nakikita. So mamaya liliwanagin natin. This is a karmic relationship. Parang something na nag-trigger, no? Na siguro nag-trigger, nag-silent treat. Pag nagsa-silent treatment kasi ano yan parang diyan siya nagkakaroon ng realization, na pagtatanto niya ang value mo, no? Kaya siguro yan yung nag-trigger sa kanya na pakasalan ka. Nakita niya ang kahalagan mo. Yan din yung sinasabing new phase ng inyong relationship. So tignan natin kung ano yung feelings niya sa iyo. Okay, Spirit Guide, ano pong feelings ng persons na to? One pa. Okay, so anong feelings ng persons na to sa'yo? So this is any sign po, no? Everyone na makita ang video na to, para sa inyo po ito. Wow, Three of Cups. The World. Strength. Ang kanyang intentions naman, you have the strength, you have the Four of Wands. Kung po ako, pasensya na ha. Five of Wands, I'm sorry, Five of Wands, King of Pentacles. Five of Wands, King of Pentacles ang kanyang intention, plus the Four of Swords. So, ang kanyang next actions. Let's see ang kanyang next action. Next action. Ten of Cups. Wow naman. I hope all. The Hierophant. Queen of Swords. Mamaya ika-clarify natin yan. So, nakita mo, ang persons na nag-iisip sa'yo, parang gusto niyang pakasalan ka. Parang nakikita natin na medyo nag-silent treatment kayo, o sabihin natin nag no contact kayo, nag-separate kayo. Ngayon parang expect some new chapter na mangyayari sa buhay mo, sa inyong dalawa. Parang kayo tumatahak, parang tapos na ang hardship ninyo, no? Pagkatapos na-cut off na, yan na rin yung sinabing putol na yung pattern, no? Ngayon nagsisimula na kayong napakagandang journey. Makikita mo ang ganda ng card nyo rito, oh. No? So yung natin, this person's actually, no? Wait lang po, ha? Yan, sana tayo, I'm sorry. So ito yung Three of Cups, no? Yung persons mo, parang he sense of fulfillment and admiration sa'yo. Ito rin yung maligaya siya kapag kasama ka. At saka this is celebratory connections, no? Kumbaga, talagang totoong-totoong nag-enjoy siya sa company mo and napipil niya yung sense of belonging, no? Kapag kasama ka. Especially pag andyan ka. So kung makikita mo dito, andito ang world. Ito ang world knock, no? This is the world. Pag nakikita ka niya na parang isang ano, no, parang isang tao na kumpleto ang cycle sa buhay. O sabihin din natin na nagre-represent ito ng total package sa kanya. Ikaw ang mundo niya, yan ang nafe-feel niya. And hindi lang basta casual na interesado siya, pero parang feeling niya na nagre-represent ka ng isang kabuuan, isang wholeness sa kanya, no? Lalo na itong strength, napakaganda. Ito rin yung parang nagsasabi na nararamdaman niya ang very deep at quiet passions para sa'yo. But it is tempered with immense respect. Yung passion na yon, ibig sabihin, may kasamang respeto. No? Maybe, sinusubukan niyang i-exercise din ang self-control o paamuhin ka. No? Pag sabihin natin, they're more impulsive urges to ensure na tinatrato ka niya ng may pag-aalaga na talagang deserve mo. No? Ang ganda, no? Very sweet naman si persons na to. And kung makikita mo ang kanyang intention, this is the Five of Wands. Ang intentions niya ay parang currently transitioning from chaos sa stability, no? Kasi dito nga ang Five of Wands, parang medyo lately siguro ang intention niya, hindi niya pa matanto-tanto. Pero ngayon, ang totoong intentions niya is he's moving forwards being the King of Pentacles, no? Dahil ang Five of Wands dito na, nagpapakita na medyo sabihin natin, he's been dealing with internal conflict. Naguguluhan pa siya. Or sabihin natin, nakikita niya rin siguro, dati na baka marami kang naliligaw, maraming umaaligid sa'yo, o maraming kang nililigawan, no? So parang tingin niya may competitions at distractions dati, no? Pero ngayon, he is moving towards sa isang King of Pentacles. So ang intentions niya, nagre-reveal dito na may clear intent siya para i-provide ka ng security at maging grounded, no? Tsaka reliable. Baga gusto kanyang i-provide ng stable, ayan, no? Gusto kanyang stability, very grounded na tao ang King of Pentacles, eh, no? And then as you could see dito, ang intention niya is maging stable kayong dalawa at ma-provide niya ang lahat ng kailangan mo, no? Ma-provide niya yung pagiging ano rin. It's either babae ka lalaki, walang problema po diyan, no? Makikita mo rin may Four of Swords dito. Pero ang gusto niya talaga maging reliable siya sa buhay mo, no? Ang intentions niya. And the Four of Swords, ito yung end of his row. Kumbaga, itong Four of Swords is parang ito yung end of the crucial. Kumbaga, ito yung nagpapahinga. This is a card of healing also. Pinaka-intentions niya is actually na mag-step back para mag-reflect. Ito nga, nangyari na itong silent. Tapos na siya mag-step back. No? nag-step back siya kaya siguro may temporary separations kayo o nag-silent siya o siguro nasa peak kayo na nag-step back siya. Pero magandang ang intentions niya sa'yo, no? Tsaka tignan mo naman yung feelings niya sa'yo, no? So, the Four of Swords, ito yung nagre-reflect siya. Gusto niyang approachin ka ng, o sabi natin, gusto niyang approachin ang relationship na isang solid plan, na magkaroon siya ng solid plan, na kaysa yung padalos-dalos, no? Gusto niya may plano siya pag ano, i-approach ka niya. So, siguro ngayon nasa stage kayo ng ano, no? Parang nasa stage kayo ng healing ang inyong relationship. So, maganda yan para ano, parang yung silent na yan, nagkaroon siya ng realization. So, ni-intend niya na ayaw niya ng ayaw din niyang biglaan ka. Gusto niya yung approach na medyo hindi yung nirarush, no? Gusto niya may solid plan siya. Parang intentions niya rin is magpahinga para nga mag-gather ang mga kanyang thoughts, no? So, he could offer you the stability ng king rather than the conflict ng Five of Wands, no? Yan ang kanyang ano. Sandali lang po at sinisip po. Ayan. So, ang next actions niya naman dito, no? Ito yung Hierophant and the Queen of Swords at ang Ten of Cups. Wow, look at his action. So, ang energy nag-shift towards sa doing things by the book. Ang Ten of Cups kasi ito yung very beautiful energy. Sabihin din natin, a beautiful omen para sa isang emotional na harmony, no? At ito din is a long-term happiness. This is a long-term happiness. So, ang next move niya sa'yo, parang will likely be an attempt to bring relationship into a state of domestic bliss. Or sabihin natin, yung nasa alignment kayo, no? So, ang next move niya is mag-attempt siya na magbigay ng isang harmonious relationship at ma-align kayo, no? At saka isang domestic bliss, no? Na maging masaya. Yan ang next na actually, extra romantic siya. Papakita niya yung you are very welcoming. Yan. So, however, andito ang Hierophant. Yung Hierophant at saka Queen of Swords, ito yung sinasabi na di gaanong purely o mushy approach. Parang nag-reach out siya with a very clear, perhaps even formal na conversations about sa boundaries, traditions, or sabihin natin pag-uusapan nyo siguro about sa boundaries. Some of you siguro ibang religion din. Some of you sabihin natin medyo long distance relationship, no? So, ang Hierophant kasi ito yung nagsisik ng commitment of following established social norm. So, the Queen of Swords dito, this indicates they will speak with total honesty and clarity sa'yo. No? Gaya ng Queen of Swords. So, ang action niya, kakausapin ka niya about siguro, ito nga, siguro nga sa pagpapakasal. So, dahil card ng kasalan niya, no? Ako, napansin ko yung, yung wedding ring. Ang Hierophant, this is commitment. Ang next na action niya, expect ka, nako, liligaw, magpapakasal to, talagang this involve marriage. Pagbuo ng pamilya, ang next na pag-action niyang gagawin sa'yo. So, expect this, ay nako, kinikilabutan ako. Kaya sasabihin niya ang totoo. So, ayan, yung silence na treatment na yan, na-rewardan ikaw, no? Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon siya ng muni-muni, no? So, kung makikita mo dito, ang Queen of Swords, nako, napakaganda. Queen of Swords. He will speak the truth sa'yo. Oh, naman. That's nice. Then, kung makikita mo dito ang Queen of Swords, no? Ito yung totoo, honesty. So, ito na siguro ang pag-propose kasi ang Hierophant, once na may Hierophant, this is about commitment. No, parang following social norms. And look at this one, the Ten of Cups. Oh my God, look at this Ten of Cups. You are, parang pag-uusapan nyo, paano i-handle ang pamilya, o kung magkakabalikan siguro kayo, or sabihin natin, magpaplanong pakasal. Ayan, no, totoo. Validated. Hierophant, Ten of Cups, Wedding Ring, Queen of Swords. Wow! Some of you long distance, baka uuwi at pakasalan ka, no? Mag-offer ng love sa'yo. Ay, kinikilabutan ako. Ang ganda. I love this reading. Wow, sana naman lahat. I love this reading. Lalo na ang actions niya. Kinikilabutan. At saka yung feeling niya. Tingnan mo naman. Talagang kahit nagsabi mo nag-silent mode kayo o nag-no contact kayo, gusto niya yung stability ang intentions niya, no? So, tignan natin itong ano. So, mag-expect ka muna ng move. So, expect them to move towards you with the proposal o sabihin natin, conversations that is emotionally fulfilling but also very logical structure. So, I wanted to clarify itong Hierophant na to, no? Ano ba dapat natin? Ang Queen of Swords, ano yung sasabihin niyang totoo sa'yo? Ito na lang kung ano yung sasabihin niyang totoo sa'yo. Let's clarify that. Three of Wands. Wow, naku, this is timing. Naghanap lang siya ng timing. Magpro-propose to. Oh my God. Speak the truth, no? Logistic to. Baka antayin mo lang daw siya umuwi siguro pag nasa malayo siya or it's either na baka kunin ka niya. Yan yung Queen of Swords na gusto niyang totoong sabihin sa'yo na nag-aantay lang siya ng right timing. Ito yung bottom of the deck, Nine of Cups. Wish fulfilled. Ganda naman. Naku, mamumuhay ka talagang empress sa taong ito. Ba? Justice, you deserve this daw. Wow naman. So, ito pa, pang clarify dito sa Knight of Cups. Wow, talagang, no, rushing towards you na i-offer ang love niya. Ito siguro yung mga love is sweeter than second time around. Oh my God. Wheel of Fortune, talagang you are fated, no? Fated kayo talaga. So, ito yung secret, ito yung Queen of Swords na gusto niyang sabihin ng totoo sa'yo, no? So, kung makikita mo rito, the Queen of Swords energy, ito yung previously shown dito, no? Ito, yung i-clarify natin kung ano yung gusto niyang logical at honest na conversations na maaring yung pag-usapan. No? So, ito kasi ang nagre-represent sa Queen of Swords. Actually, parang you are taking leap of faith sa isang new chapter, isang emotional chapter. Yan, no? New chapter, new phase ng inyong relationship. The butterfly dyan. Kumbaga, nag-matured na kayo. No? So, kung ano yung gusto niyang iklaro rin sa'yo, andito yung Three of Wands. Ang gusto niyang iklaro sa yung Three of Wands, itong persons na to, parang he's looking at the long-term horizon dito, kung makikita mo, oh. Nakatingin siya doon sa malayo. At saka parang your persons also, iniisip niya na hindi lang yung isang araw na to, kundi sa kinabukasan. No? Kumbaga, they are mentally shipping out papunta sa inyong future. Kasi nga ito, tingnan mo intentions niya sa'yo, ang actions niya gagawin, no? Ten of Cups, gusto niya magkaroon ng Ten of Cups. So, talagang, siya, no? Talking about future with you. So, gusto niyang maging klaro na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na ready na siya na i-expand ang relationship ninyo at mag-move beyond the current boundaries kayo. No? Wow, it's nice. Pinakamagandang collective reading ko to, no? And ito Knight of Cups na dumating din, no? He's rushing. Baka some of you nasa ibang bansa, uuwi na lang yung bigla, no? Dala ang singsing mo. So ito yung yung iba no contact, bigla na lang uuwi, no? Hanapin ka at pakasalan ka kaagad. So this is the Knight of Cups. This is romantic messenger. Ito yung clarity na nagbibigay ng offer of the heart. While ang Queen of Swords dito, medyo blunt pero pero totoo, no? Ayaw nito, he will cut the crap. Ayaw na ng kasinungalingan. Gusto clear, no? So, ang Nine of Cups nagpapakita ng message na actually na very tender. Parang gusto ng persons mo ng officially court. Liligawan ka talaga. Or sabihin natin, i-express niya yung deeper feelings niya sa'yo in a more poetic and intentional way na. And look at this one, the Wheel of Fortune. So this is the great green light from the universe. They feel that yung timing is finally right. Parang ito na yung tamang panahon ninyong dalawa. Yan din ang sinasasabihin niya sa'yo. Ito na, kailangan na tayo magpakasal. No? Okay na, ready na ako magpakasal sa'yo, parang ganon. And ito nagsasuggest din talaga na very clear na very interested siya, 'no? So hindi na siya yung stagnant anymore, umikot na ang inyong ano, wheel, 'no? Kumbaga hindi na siya stagnant ang connections ninyo. Gusto din niya na ipakita sa'yo na ang wheel turn and see what is the destiny takes both of you. So the wheel of fortune din, yan ang ibig sabihin, no? So this is a clear so ang synthesis ng Queen of Swords, no? Ang intentions niya na iklaro lahat. Ito yung gusto niyang sabihin sa iyo, ipaliwanag, no? Yan nakita mo King of Three of Wands, Knight of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. No, ito yung napaka ano, no? Napaka liwanag ng card dito na ay my goodness, na mauuwi sa kasalan, no? Kung persons bago nyo, o sabihin siguro mag-shota pa lang kayo, baka yayain ka ng magsama kayo, no? So, very clear conversations dito. Balik na tayo sa Queen of Swords, no? Ang gusto niyang iparating sa'yo, message niya sa'yo, no? Ito, nakita mo na. Yan, mag-ready ka. So, very clear conversations ang Queen of Swords, ang ibig sabihin nito. So, parang may invitations na darating sa'yo. There's an invitation na Knight of Cups para mag-step kayo sa new phase. Ito na. Totoo yan. Sa new phase. Ayan. Sa new phase ng inyong journey. O sabihin natin sa new phase of life ninyong dalawa. Dahil the Three of Wands nandito. Ayan. Because nga, nararamdaman niya na fated kayo to each other. Dahil nga sa Wheel of Fortune. Wow, it's nice. Ayan, fated kayo sa Wheel of Fortune. O kumbaga, he knows na meant kayo to each other at saka talagang hindi kayo nakistagnan sa ganyan. Talagang gusto niya kasi ng stable life sa'yo eh. Gusto niyang Ten of Cups din sa'yo. Tatay yung talagang tatay o tatayo talagang nanay to. Babae ka man o lalaki, no? So, napakaganda ng ano, talagang may invitations na to move in o to get married, no? So, yan, napakaganda. What else we could ask for more in this reading, no? So, hingi pa nga tayo ng ano, guidance kay romance. Ayan, some of you din, religious factor, iba siguro ang inyong religion ninyong dalawa, no? Wow, very soon. Very soon. So, some of you then, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Ano ko sa reading? Kita ko sa reading mo. Sino man makakita nito para sa inyo po. And it will happen very, very soon. The new phase, nakita mo yung the new phase. So, the new phase ng chapter ng inyong buhay, ng kayo at ng persons mo, the persons on your mind. Ito na ang new cycle. Expect na mayroong very soon na invitations, no? Na ano kayo, magsama, magpakasal. Ang kita, oh. Yan ang binigay na mensahe din ng ano, ng ating spirit guide, no? Yung silent treatment na yan, nag-benefit kayong dalawa. No? Nagkaroon kayo na-feel ang gap, ibig sabihin, no? May realization, may evaluations, no? May confirmations na nangyayari pag nagkaroon kayo ng konting separate or ng temporary separations or non-silent. Diyan pumapasok ang lahat eh. No? Diyan yan nakikita yung worth mo. No? So get ready very soon yan, no? Paghandaan mo yan. And stay optimistic. Ba? Reconciliation. Aba? Ganda. This is nice. I love this. So, someone from your past is returning to your life. Naiiyak ako dito. Ang ganda. Parang kinikilig ako. And then, stay optimistic about your love life, ha? Positive thinking and faith will bring your romance. Tatandaan mo yan. And then, we have also very soon na. This is very soon, no? So, yung faith mo, no? Lalong pag-igihin ang faith, ibig sabihin, have a strong faith because you are both fated and this will happen very, very soon. Ayan, ako, I love this. Yan, pengin naman po ng like and hype dyan. no? Napakinig tayo ng bidang na 'to, no? Napakaganda. Sana mapapa-all tayo, no? Sige, thank you na rin po, pa-share na rin po ang ating video at keep on commenting po, no? Ayan, mag-comment lang po kayo at paki-subscribe na rin po 'pag hindi pa kayo nagso-subscribe. Ayan, thank you and God bless you po. See po.
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In HAR, everything will be revealed to you. In HAR, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang...
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In HAR, everything will be revealed to you. In HAR, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang...
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not.